Welcome to PowerDirector 19. We're looking for F5 Video Overlay Picture-in-Picture Objects Room. In the room, we're looking for Sketch Animation. These are the sketch animations. Bring them into the timeline, play it, draws a circle, a check mark, another circle. Notice you have over here Sketch Animation 12, Sketch Animation, no data. If we click on it, it just basically shows the design. So say we want to manipulate the text. Highlight it, more features. You could cut, copy, paste, remove, select all, edit in Sketch Designer. This is another way. This is Sketch Designer to get into it. You could change the width, the coloring. If you have a preset color you don't want it, can you delete it by right clicking or left clicking? No. So once you start to pick the colors, they are there. You can flip it left and right. You can play back, have an ending effect in reverse or fade. You could make it smaller and wider. So there are a number of things you can do, and you can take a picture of it. In the file, the edit, and the playback are the only things here you can do, and save it. There are many things you can do in the program, and these are just some of the select few.